What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back. It is Thursday. I don't know the date, but it's Thursday. So I think today, while I said that I wouldn't do vlogs on days that we weren't doing anything, it means we're doing something today. Or at least we're going to go see about doing something today. What I'm going to do is those over fenders need to get paint. So I'm going to head to a paint shop, one that's well known, or at least known within the Miata community around DFW. So I'm gonna head to the shop today, drop off the over fenders, see if we can get a quote, see if we can't get them painted sometime within the month. But it is raining. I hate drives like this. It's the worst. Everyone just loses their mind the moment there's any water on the road. It's absolutely ridiculous. Alright, so time for work. I'm going to take these guys over to the paint shop during my lunch break. You'll come along with me, of course. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to see about getting these painted today, so sounds good. So when my Miata broke down, it broke down right here at this stop sign. I've only driven past it a few times since, but man, it brings back some crazy memories. I think I made it. Alright, so I just dropped off the over fenders at the shop. So the shop that I chose to do this is called Zoom Performance. So you can go follow them on Facebook, go to their website, etc. They do a lot of Miata stuff, and they do other cars too. So if you're in DFW, definitely go check them out. So they offered me a pretty good price, and it should be done maybe at the end of next week. They said they're going to start on it Wednesday, or at least, you know, look at it and begin the process, and then a few days after that they should get ready to go. So I did ask for them if they can get any video of the process. That'd be really cool to show you guys, so keep a lookout for that. I'll keep you updated as we go. We're gonna head home, and don't forget, if this video goes out today, which is Thursday, I'm live streaming tomorrow. Every Friday I'll live stream. If it is Friday, well, maybe this video will go up Saturday. I don't know. Either way, hope you guys are remembering that live streams are on Fridays. And yeah, make sure you tune into those. I cannot wait until those over fenders are on the car. I'm really gonna need to think about getting new wheels. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to think about getting new wheels. The fronts, you know, they're fine. The fitment obviously could be better with like a spacer, a small spacer or something. But the rears, once those over fenders are on, it's gonna look like Jeanco jeans in the 90s. You're wearing the shorts, the jean shorts, with your skinny little legs. That is what this car's gonna look like. I am gonna get this video up today, so it is Thursday, so be sure to tune in tomorrow for the live stream. It's gonna happen probably 8 or 9. Yeah, so be sure to have your questions ready, and I'm happy to answer them. Anything you wanna know, anything you wanna talk about, yeah, I'm happy to chat. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna close it out here and go eat some food. It has gotten really cold out, and it's been wet all day, so not really much to do. It's not Miata weather, that's for sure. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a like, leave a comment. See you tomorrow.